What's up? In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a tempered glass screen protector to protect your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Let's go. Welcome back to the video. My name's Sergio. In this channel, I make life-saving tech videos. So if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell while you're down there. And also, if you want an epic phone case like this for your phone, check out the links down below in the description. Alright, so a screen protector is something that we should all use on our devices. It's going to protect by taking the impact and preventing your screen from cracking. And the screen protector will take the damage and crack first. And it saved my devices, I would say, hundreds of times. Alright, with that being said, let's get right to it. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install the best type of screen protector, in my opinion, which is a tempered glass screen protector. I got this on Amazon. There's going to be a link down below. I think it's around $5, so very inexpensive, and it will save you hundreds of dollars if you ever crack the screen on your watch. Okay, this tempered glass screen protector is like a glass, so once you put it on your watch, it feels very natural. You'll hardly be able to tell there's something on here since it's very glass-like, and it will crack first. It will take the impact and save your screen the majority of the time. I would say about 90 to 95% of the time on my watches and phones, the tempered glass has usually saved by cracking first. Alright, so I'm going to show you how to install it. Super easy. First off, let's go ahead and review this little package here. And it actually comes with a couple screen protectors. So if one of them ever cracks, you can just go ahead and peel it off, throw it away, and you have a couple more. So it comes with four. It comes with four screen protectors in total. Okay, and then you also get the little cleaning kits here, the dry and wet cloth, and the little towel and dust absorber stickers. So first thing you want to do is you want to take your watch off so we can perform this. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and open one of these alcohol prep pads. This is what's going to clean the screen from any dirt or anything stuck on the screen. All right, so we're going to go ahead and wipe the screen with the alcohol prep pad. Just go around the entire screen, removing any dirt or dust that might be stuck onto the screen. Okay, once it looks clean enough, we're going to go ahead and grab the little dry cloth and go over it to dry up the screen and also remove any more dust that may be left on the screen. And then we also get these absorber stickers. We're going to go ahead and peel one off here. And this kind of helps if there's any leftover dust on the screen. As you can see, there's a tiny little particle right there. You could just place the dust absorber sticker on the screen and any dust will stick onto it since it is a sticker. You just peel it off and it will come right out. Okay, so that should be good. We're going to go ahead and place the watch back down. We're going to go ahead and grab our tempered glass now. Okay, make sure that the screen is clean one more time, free of dust before proceeding. Okay, we're going to position the tempered glass right above the watch and peel down the sticker. And we're going to go ahead and place it above the watch here. Okay, position it carefully on top of the watch screen and then release it gently onto the screen. And there you go. I just released it on there and by itself it completely stuck to the screen and removed all of the air bubbles because the screen was super clean. Okay, so that was pretty perfect. Looks good. No air bubbles at all anywhere. No dust under the tempered glass screen protector. And as you can see, it looks very and feels very natural. And now we have the necessary protection for our Galaxy Watch 7. Alright everyone, so that is how you install a tempered glass screen protector on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 7. Go ahead and hit that like button if this video helped you out. Comment down below and let me know. That's all for this one. I'll catch you in the next video. And as always, peace.